guys, we are also going to have the best time ever in this next cool nature walk. We're in the woods, I think. Wait, are we? I don't think we're in the woods. Maybe we're in Albuquerque, but I don't think we're.
Yep.
Okay, say hello to my mommy.
Hello. I'm glad you could join us on our walk.
Yeah, that's my mom. She's always saying that a lot sometimes when we meet cool people on the phone, but say something else, Mommy.
Eleanor is the best.
Well, yeah, she loves me, and I also love the fall leaves. Want to look at one? Okay, here's one. Ooh, you like it? Yeah, I bet you do. Yeah, you like it. Okay,
Sure is pretty.
here's another one, and it's a yellow kind.
Ooh.
And here is the grass, and some rocks. Oh, and bushes. There's the inside of us. So pretty. Oh, ta-da. Bye. I hope you had the good this time ever.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Oh, sorry you saw my eye in that one.